I am not easily impressed, but what I am about to share with you really got my attention. Did you realize there is a hole in the law of attraction? Did you know that people around the world are living the lives of their dreams and that there is a missing ingredient that you need to know about? This missing ingredient will literally force the universe to give you all the tools that you need to create financial, emotional and spiritual abundance, without hard work or struggle. The missing ingredient that will enable you to achieve your wealth, health, relationships, and other personal goals. I am talking about a life that most people only ever fantasize and dream about, where you make more in a month than you used to in a year, where you make your greatest dreams become a reality. If you want to uncover this missing ingredient that will literally force the universe to give you all the tools to create financial, emotional and spiritual abundance, click the link in the description to download your free report and watch the free presentation.